Hey John. So this video is about the multiple categories and does it work? And the answer is yes, but with a commentary. So I put this one here in 4 categories. The top 4 here are the ones that I added. The one down here that was Florida, Central Virginia was the one that was already in. So I just added these up here temporarily for this test and saved it, went to the map, and here it is right there. You'll notice that the other one we put it in down here was Virginia Central Virginia, and on here Central Virginia is not checked, but these are. So even if I uncheck these up here, it shows up because it's in Florida Central. If I click here, it shows up, but it's only one event, so it doesn't show up multiple times. That's cool. And if we go back here and turn on its one that was there before we started, again, it only shows up one time and everything's cool. The caveat is how it's color coded. When an event happens, it is populated. Let me just show you here if I can real quick. It has a CSS class up here, and you'll notice the classes in here: Florida, Jacksonville area, Florida, Manitosa, Manatee, Sarasota, Cat, Virginia Central, Cat, Florida Central, East Coast Central. So it is tagged with items that I use to determine the color of the bar. But because it's in multiple categories, obviously it can't have multiple colors. So what it's doing is it's finding the last one on the list, which is this one right here, Virginia Central category, and using the color from Virginia Central to color it. Even if Virginia Central isn't checked, it's using the Virginia Central category color because it's the last one on the list. So as it goes through the CSS classes, it'll use the last one on the list as the one that overrides the previous ones. So other than that, everything's working perfectly fine. Let me know if there's anything you want to do about that. I'm not exactly sure at this moment what we would or could do about that because there's too many combinations over here for us to try to address with any sort of logic that I can think of at the moment. So just want to let you know it's working. I'm going to turn that one off, of course, but for you to see how that worked.